USB-C, HDMI. I'm trying this out on my Galaxy S9 Plus. I'm trying out the USB-C to HDMI adapter on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus phone. Let me see if it works. So I'm borrowing this HDMI connection here and putting it in. Okay, I just plugged it in. Nothing's happening. Let me log into the phone. Nothing. All right, let me play with the cables. All right, I couldn't get this adapter to work on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. I know the HDMI is good because I use my Samsung DeX on there and it works just fine. So I don't know, I guess it's not compatible with that phone. All right, gotta return it.